hard to believe we have been in Peru over a month already, and I don't really know where the time has gone, but over 2.5 weeks has been spent in this paradise behind me. Puerto Verde is the first paid campground we've stayed at, and we've had a pretty amazing time here, considering we've had a lot of work to do as well. And now we don't normally do videos solely on the places we stay, but here we thought we'd make an exception. So let me bring you around and give you a guided tour of our first camp spot in Peru. We find all of our camp spots using an app called Overlander. And when we were searching for a paid camp spot, once we left the beach in Lobitos, we found a spot called Puerto Verde marked in the town of Peru. Now this spot had a lot of comments, and most of them were glowing reviews of it, saying it's a tranquil place to camp. The longer you stay, the cheaper it gets. It's got a swimming pool, toilet block, showers, 40 soles for one night, which is just over £8 English, but we've just got our bill for just over 2 weeks of staying here, which is equated to 20 soles a night, which is just over £4. The price has been halved, so we stayed for 1 week and we've almost got the second week free, which is absolutely amazing. What's been even more amazing about staying here is the owner Gonzalo has allowed us to use his workshop. Gonzalo is an artist and has built many things around the, I don't know what to call it, it's called an eco camp, and his sculptures are amazing. But we've used a grinder, a welder, which has allowed us to sort out the roof rack and get it painted, sort out the chassis at the back and add a fixing point for our new suspension. And he didn't charge us a thing for that, so thank you so much, Gonzalo. It really means a lot to us. Let's go have a look at some of his sculptures, eh?
Hola.
This good man here has looked after us for just over 2 weeks. Él es un amigo.
From Colombia.
De Colombia, sí, Bogotá.
Acá en Perú.
Y muchas gracias por su ayuda.
Un gusto,
Con gusto
en serio,
también.
qué lindo que hayan venido acá a conocer, pues a compartir. Fueron 18 días que
Sí.
estuvieron acá. La
Mucho.
pasamos bien, se ve chévere, entonces les deseo un muy buen viaje, que conozcan lugares maravillosos, personas
Gracias.
maravillosas y se llenen de energía, y esa energía que ustedes tienen también la logren a transmitir a diferentes personas que sabemos que necesitan.
Y un día él quiere visitar Ushuaia también con una moto.
Sí, en moto.
Sí,
Vamos en moto para Ushuaia.
Chévere.
Sí, ya, buen
Muchas
viaje,
gracias.
muchachos, ya, listo.
So we didn't get to use the pool loads, but we did have a few evenings with a quick dip to cool down.
It's lovely, the pool.
It's a lovely little spot.
Very nice.
But the campground has a nice little area secluded for campers, where we've been calling home for 18 days now. Let's have a quick look around here. There's been so many campers from France all turning up in motorhomes for a night or two and then carrying on with their journey. Apparently the Pan Am is popular in France, as well as camping and the pool. It's also got a few other facilities for those of you who are into your sports. Tennis court, football pitch. I'm not sure how many people watch our videos who are actually doing the Pan American Highway, but if you are and you're watching this, make sure you come check out Puerto Verde in Puera, north of Peru, because it's been a lovely little stopover. English or Espanol? English. This is Gonzalo, the owner of the restaurant, the grounds and the camping area. He's been an amazing host for 18 days and we are so grateful for his hospitality. Muchas gracias. So if you're watching this, as I said before, and you were doing the Pan American Highway, please, please, please come check out Puerto Verde. It's a little paradise.
Thank you very much.
Gracias.
You're welcome. Goodbye and good trip.
Thank you. So we are all packed and ready to go. I'm super excited. Also a little bit sad to be going actually, because it was so nice here. But we have got a lot of Peru to see in a very little amount of time. And I think we're ready. So make sure you're subscribed. That notification bell is clicked, dinged, all notifications are on, because we're going to have videos coming at you left, right and centre. So we'll catch you next time.